shipping containers artwork. The artwork of Van Gogh was displayed in an outdoor gallery created from 52 shipping containers, allowing people to admire his masterpieces under the starlit sky. The exhibition included well-known pieces like Irises and The Starry Night, as well as some of his lesser-known early works. To enhance the experience, 21 projectors were used to vividly project the art on the container walls. Additionally, Sensory 4 technology was employed to provide a clear and immersive view, bringing the paintings to life with animations. Container build group Luxury Container Home. The Lindendale is a luxury home built from shipping containers by an Australian company known for its quick construction times. It took them just 10 weeks to build the house, with the containers being set up in only 5 hours. This efficiency is partly because they manufacture the containers themselves, using 6-metre ones for this project. Inside, the house boasts luxurious features, including a sophisticated kitchen with a sliding window and a custom-made library with unique bookshelves. The cost of these homes varies, with a starting down payment of around $12,700 for a house up to 250 square metres, highlighting a case in New Zealand. Stadium 974. Stadium 974 is a unique structure in Qatar, built for the 2022 FIFA World Cup using cargo containers. The name 974 has dual significance. It's both Qatar's international dialing code and the exact number of containers used in the stadium's construction. Designed to seat 40,000 people, the containers formed the stadium's walls and included facilities like restrooms and shops. It's considered the first temporary World Cup stadium, where famous footballers such as Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi and Kylian Mbappe have played. After the tournament, the stadium was dismantled, but there's a possibility it could be reassembled in Uruguay for the 2030 World Cup, according to Financial Times. Container 775. Container 775 is a restaurant in Brazil known for its unique design and tasty food. It has received positive feedback, earning a 4.7 out of 5 rating on Google. The restaurant is praised for its affordable pricing, with meals averaging around $12. The menu features a wide range of international dishes, including pizza, fries and burgers. Additionally, Container 775 has plenty of space to accommodate guests. Propertuity Drivelines. After lunch, we could take a flight from Brazil to South Africa and head to Johannesburg, the largest city in the country. There, they've transformed one of the neighbourhoods into a trendy hipster paradise using shipping containers. A central feature of this area is the Drivelines apartment complex, constructed from 140 containers. It provides 100 studio apartments, varying in size from 4 to 60 square metres. The rent for an apartment in Drivelines is about $250 per month. What do you think? Would you consider renting there? Urban Rigger. Urban Rigger involves innovative floating islands seen as a forward-thinking approach to urban living and development. Each island consists of a concrete base topped with 9 shipping containers arranged to create apartment units and community spaces such as barbecue areas. These floating homes are eco-friendly, powered by solar panels and equipped with necessary utilities like water and heating. They also have wastewater treatment systems. An example of this concept can be found in Copenhagen, where a new neighbourhood of these islands has been established in the city's harbour, providing 72 apartments. Modpools. Modpools are unique swimming pools created from recycled shipping containers, and despite their starting price of $285,000, they have become quite popular. These pools are available in various lengths, including 4, 5, 6 and 12 metres. Customers have the option to add features such as ladders and spa chairs. They come with a default gas heating system capable of heating the water to 30 degc, even in temperatures as low as 10 degc. Additionally, there's the option to customize the pool by adding partitions to form a hot tub section, showcasing the versatility of containers in their construction. Ipme school shipping container. In the United States, a school was significantly upgraded by incorporating 32 shipping containers, which added 929 square meters of space, including a new gym. An advantage of using these containers is their mobility. If needed, the school can relocate them to a different location. Additionally, because these containers are made from recycled materials, this renovation was environmentally friendly. This innovative project gained recognition and was awarded the Green Design Award in 2017, honouring eco-friendly products, services and projects as determined by a panel of experts. Sontainbow is a vibrant rainbow sculpture located in Fremantle, Australia, constructed from 9 shipping containers. Remarkably, it took only 12 hours to assemble. This colourful installation not only delighted the local community, but also attracted global attention as people watched its construction online. The project stood out by winning against 27 other contenders in a local contest, suggesting that Fremantle might see more innovative art projects in the future. Microtower. In Columbus, USA, there's an innovative structure called the Microtower, located in a parking lot. This mini tower, constructed from a 12-meter shipping container, is designed to complement the surrounding tall buildings. Inside, it offers space for offices, retail, and bicycle parking. What makes the Microtower stand out are its large windows that provide panoramic views and its striking lighting. This construction is part of the Bold Booths art project, which aims to creatively repurpose public spaces. CasaBoxx. CasaBoxx is a portable house created from a 6-meter shipping container equipped with wheels for easy transportation. It's an ideal option for those who love camping and travelling, or for those in need of a mobile office. The design allows CasaBoxx to expand by 5 meters, increasing its space to 36 square meters. The interior includes a bedroom, kitchen, bathroom and living area, all fully furnished and equipped with appliances and stylish decor. For those interested in customizing their CasaBoxx, the company offers an online configurator to personalize and order their portable home. Container motorbike storage pod. Adding roller shutters to a 6-meter container transforms it into a versatile storage pod, suitable for various uses like storing motorbikes or serving as a workshop. You have choices in terms of functionality, with options for regular, fire-resistant or soundproof shutters. Depending on your preference, you can select either electric or manual mechanisms for lifting these shutters, which can be up to 10 meters wide.